Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel Dacty for You. My name is Tina. I hope you are all doing great and you are staying safe. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make my green and healthy bofrot, green puff puff that I know you are going to love. So without wasting much time, let's get into this recipe. In a clean mixing bowl, I have in about 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour for this recipe. So to that, I'm adding in my yeast. This is about 2 teaspoons of yeast that I add in. And then I add in my sugar, just a little bit. I don't like sugar really in this recipe. I'm just adding it in because of the kids. And then I add in salt. And then to that, I'm going to just mix everything up, but make sure that the yeast doesn't touch the salt first. So I mix the salt and the sugar with the flour before I mix in the yeast. And then I'm adding in my green mixture. So what is in my green mixture is some green bell pepper and some spinach. I will write everything down for you. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm just mixing it. And now here I add in warm water to it. So I use warm water to rinse my blender and then I add it in. But unfortunately I missed that part. So that is exactly what I did right there. So what I'm just trying to do is that I'm just trying to break in every lumps in my dough so that the dough will become very smooth and very fine. So that is exactly what I'm doing. And now I love this consistency. That is exactly what I'm going for. I'm covering it now with a cling film and then I'll put it in a warm place for it to rise. So what I'll do is that I will just cover it with napkins and then something that will make it very warm so that it can rise because it's very cold over here. Or you can just put it inside your oven and then switch the oven light on. Yeah, so here we are about 5 hours later and our dough is looking all nice. It has about triple its volume. So this is it. So what I'm just going to do now is that I'm just going to dip my hand in just to get the bubbles out of it. So here on the fire I have my oil which is already heated. So I just went ahead to scoop the dough in. And then I will fry it on a medium heat. You don't have to fry your bofrot or puff puff on a high heat or on a very low heat. If you do that, it's going to, the outside of the bofrot is going to get burned and then the inside will not be cooked if you do it on a high heat. And if it's on a low heat, the oil it's going to just absorb the oil and you don't want too much oil. So what you do is that make sure that you turn it frequently. Don't stop turning it, just turn so that it doesn't burn. Just look at it, guys. My kids inspire me to do all these things always because I always want them to eat vegetables. So I always try to incorporate it into something that they love, and my God, it's always a success for me. Yeah, so if it doesn't kill them, I'm going to give it to them. The bofrot or puff puff is ready now. So I'm taking them out of the oil, putting them on a paper towel in a strainer to get some excess oil out of it. So this is it. Just look at the inside. Guys, it's just amazing. I hope you give this a try. So until we meet again, thank you so much for watching. God bless you and stay safe.